Hi everyone, I'm Navya Grover, a second year student studying Common Law LLB at University of Glasgow. In this video, I have prepared everything that you need to pack for your adventure in Glasgow, keeping in mind the city's weather as well as your daily life as a student. So please keep on watching. Essentially, I have a list prepared on my phone and I will take you through it so that I do not forget any point. As you would all know that Glasgow's weather can be a little unpredictable with rain and chilly temperatures frequently. So I would recommend you to pack the following items, just like a waterproof jacket, because you could pack an umbrella, but because of the wind, the umbrella tends to be upside down, and I would highly recommend a waterproof jacket to keep you safe from the rain. Then of course warm layers, because the weather could be a little chilly and you would need layers to protect yourself, just like a little thin sweater or a warm layer underneath. Of course, jeans and trousers. You need to be comfortable during your work here or maybe just going to university every day. So a pair of jeans and trousers. I would highly recommend you put comfortable shoes because there's a lot of work that is involved. And of course, boots, because in this rainy weather you need something to protect your feet from getting wet. So the normal shoes, they can get wet and you can feel chilly, so I would highly recommend some pair of boots. Now all those things were to survive the winter, but little did you know that Glasgow also experiences a bit summer. So during the months of May, June, July, there's a heat wave and you also need some summer clothes. So I would recommend some light layers like t-shirts, shorts and skirts and dresses for girls obviously, and a pair of comfortable sandals for your special occasions, socials and night outs. In terms of accessories, I would highly recommend a backpack for your everyday college attire, or maybe a laptop bag or your shoulder bag, depending what you're comfortable with, which obviously fits your laptop and your other essentials. Of course, a uni is not a uni without your laptop and the charger. Then some stationery to just get started with, like pens, notebooks, or just whatever you want, but you can easily get all of those things here as well, so it's entirely up to you. Then a reusable water bottle, because it's really important to stay hydrated. And of course travel adapter, because you would need your electronics to be sorted. Coming to your room, so bedding and other essentials, it's entirely up to you if you want to bring them and if you have space in your luggage. I personally didn't because I didn't have any space left, but if you do, then you could bring a bedding which includes a warm duvet, pillowcases, bed sheets, etc. Towels, they are really important just because to get you started, because once you land you wouldn't have much time to go and shop. Just to be sure, you must have a pair of towels. Kitchen utensils just to get you started, like pressure cookers or pans, pots, because they could be a little expensive here. Cleaning supplies, you get them really easily over here, so I wouldn't recommend getting them all the way, but if you wanna, then you can. Also, don't hesitate to bring any toiletries that you want, like makeup, bags, accessories, all the stuff like that. And if I'm talking about boys, then your shaving razors, those toiletries, you know what I mean. Other than all these essentials, you can bring anything that you like to decorate your room with. Like I have all these posters, these various things, so it's entirely up to you how you want to decorate your room and just feel like your little cute space for you to study, chill. And I think with that it sums up my list, but if you have anything else in your mind, feel free to add it in the comments so that other people could know about it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope my list was a little helpful. Thank you.